Welcome back to another video. Today's video is a set of nails I'm doing for a dear friend. Helen was one of my subscribers from the very beginning. She's never ever missed a video. You can scroll back through my whole channel, click on any video and she will be there in the comments. Helen was a massive support to my channel, not just my channel, so many of us girls, us small YouTubers. Everybody's video I'd click on and she'd be there in the comments supporting a lot of them. She'd always leave beautiful comments, such a massive support. Helen recently passed away, so I was really struggling. Should I do this? Should I not? And it was actually my partner that said, what would Helen want? And straight away that made my mind up. Obviously Helen would want a badass set of nails, so that's what I'm gonna attempt to do anyway. I've done this intro about 10 billion times now and I just don't feel like I'm getting it right, but I'm just going to go with it. I'm not going to really explain too much about what I'm doing. It's not really a tutorial. I just want to show my appreciation for all the support that woman gave me. Yeah, absolutely amazing woman she was. An absolute soldier. Absolute soldier she was. So yeah, I'm just going to get straight on with it. What I've done with my flexi hand there is I've put some false, like, fake nail beds in that I use as a fake natural nail, if you will. I'm going to be, yeah, there we are, there it is. I don't know my head from my horse. I can't even speak. I don't know my head from my horse today. Right, look, they're just sliding like that and it just acts as a natural nail. I'm going to be using these new nail tips that I've got from my cart. They're absolutely beautiful nail tips. So yeah, I'm going to glue them onto the edge of the nails that I've just put in the flexi hand. So I'll let you watch and I'll be back. Actually guys, whilst I'm gluing them on, I'll tell you a little story about Helen. One of the last conversations I had with her actually. Helen was in and out of hospital a lot, and one of the last times, one of the last times she was in hospital, she was really pissed off because she'd got behind watching some of the girls because she kept running out of mobile data. She kept having to pay for mobile data. So I said to her, keep asking all the nurses, all the doctors, and eventually one of them will cave and give you the Wi-Fi code. So she messaged later that night, got the Wi-Fi code. She was so happy. And she just binge watched all night that night, catching up on everyone. So I don't think she paid for mobile data again in that hospital. It would have saved her a fortune. It's so expensive. Right, that's all them nail tips glued on. I've snipped them down a bit. I'm just going to file them and get the shiny surface off and get rid of that little lip where I've stuck them on. Voila, done. Right, I'll quickly show you what I'm using. I'm doing a polygel set. I'm using my SXE polygel rose pink and white. And I'm using this from Charlie's Nail Art, Cross My Heart. It's got iridescent red and matte white hearts, crosses, all different sizes. But I just want to use some of the matte white hearts, so I pulled some of the matte white hearts out, all different sizes, and that's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using some of this foil, also from Charlie's Nail Art. So I'm just giving these nails a quick base coat, and then we'll get started. Right, that's my base coat cured. I'm using my foil glue. I'm just putting the foil on this one finger. Yeah, on this one finger. This foil glue cures in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I'm going to get that in the lamp and then get this foil put on. Right, I'm using my rose pink first. I just want on this nail that's got the foil on it and the pinky, I'm going to do a bit of a extended nail bed with the Polygel. Absolute disaster today. I've been getting better at doing nail beds, and today was as if I'd never done it before in my life. I just couldn't get it right. You'd be here all day if I didn't snip loads of the footage out. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to do that on this finger and the pinky, and then I'll give them a file and a buff, get them neat and crisp around the edges. What I do first is I file the top, get that nice and neat and flat, and then I'll just crispen it up around the edges. Right, now that I'm happy with my nail beds, I'm going to use the white, and this is hard to explain, on this nail and the other nail, I'll just let you watch. Can't be arsed explaining it. Right, as you saw, I've put white on this pinky as well, and I'm just filing it down now just to neaten up that smile line. Get that smile line to smile, because at the minute it's not smiling, it's frowning. So I'm just going to get all that filed down, get it nice and neat. And then I'll file the other two nails as well, get them nice and crisp and neat. Right, that's all my filing done. What I'm quickly doing is just putting a border around these two nails, and then I'm going to get all these nails encapsulated. Okay, that's all my filing done, and I've encapsulated. No, I haven't encapsulated nothing. Just putting a base coat on this middle nail. This is where I'm going to be putting the white hearts, and I'll cure these white hearts into this base coat, and then I'm going to get everything encapsulated. I'll get them all filed and buffed off camera, ready for top coat and bling, and I'll be back. Right, so this is the bling that I'm using. I just wanted crystal clear bling. I wanted the nails to be just pure white hearts. Just what I thought of Helen. She was just a pure good person. So yeah, I'll just let you watch the rest of this, guys, and I'll be back at the end. Okay guys, that's them all finished. I really like them. I really do. I think Helen would have loved them. And I'm sure wherever she is right now, her nails are the sparkliest in the room. Anyway guys, take care of yourselves and each other. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.